Okay, so good day, grade 5. So our lesson for today is all about estimating sum and difference of decimal numbers. Okay, so when we say estimate, nagra-round off tayo ng numbers. Wherein here, ang ira-round off natin is yung decimal numbers to find the estimated sum and the difference. So for example, example number 1. So I have here 24 and 56 hundredths. So add by 12 and 35 hundredths. So since addition yung ating operation, therefore estimating sum. So first is we need to round off the decimals. So i-round off natin siya by the nearest whole number. So titingnan natin dito yung ones place ng ating whole numbers. So the ones place here is number 4 and the ones place here is number 2. And then apply the rule of rounding off. So titingnan tayo sa next right digit. Papunta sa next right digit. So titingnan lang natin. And then yung rule sa rounding off. So more than 5 or 5 pataas, we will add 1. And then 4 pababa, we will retain the number. So 24 or i-round off natin tong 4. So therefore, since it is greater than 4 or 5 higher, we will add 1. So 4 will become 5, so is equals to 25. So magiging 25 siya. And then yung 12, since less than by 5, yung next right number, therefore mariretain lang yung 12. And then we will now apply the addition. So 25 plus 12. So 5 plus 2, we have here 7. And then 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So therefore, the estimated sum is 37. So ito yung ating final answer. Okay. So another example. So estimated sum pa rin tayo. So another example. So what if, example number 2, okay, so what if I have here 10 and 5 tenths plus 10 and 5 tenths. Okay, so we need to find the estimated sum since our lesson is estimating sum and difference. And since addition yung operation natin, estimating sum siya. So the first step, so round off by the nearest whole number. So kukuhain lang natin or titingnan lang natin dito yung ones place. So sa ones place, meron tayong 0 and 0. So dalawang 0. So next, apply the rounding off. So therefore, 5 siya. We will add 1. So 10 will become 11. And then, the same lang din sila. So this will become 11. So we will apply the addition. So therefore, 11 plus 11 is equals to 22. So the estimated sum is 22. So this is the final answer. So that is estimating sum. Now, how about when we say the estimating difference or the estimated difference of decimal number? So let's have an example here in estimated difference. So for example, I have here 58 and 39 hundredths. Subtract by 17 and 57 hundredths. So over or equals. So first, round off the nearest whole numbers. So we have here 8 and 7. So i-round off lang natin sila. So yung next number is 3. So therefore, retain. So i-retain lang natin 58. Then 17, ito is greater than by 4. So 5 pataas. So therefore, we will add 1 kay 7. Kay 7. So therefore, magiging 18. And then subtraction tayo. So isusubtract natin. So 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. And then 4 minus 1 is equals to 4. So therefore, the estimated difference is 40. Now, let's have another example. So example, para mas maraming example, mas madaling intindihin. So 9 and 75 hundredths minus 5 and 10 hundredths. So the first thing to do, or the step 1, round off by the nearest whole number. So titingnan natin yung whole number natin. So meron tayong 9 and 5. So i-round off lang natin sila. So 7, so we will add 1. So 9 will become 10. Then 5, less than yung kasunod niya to the right. So therefore, retain. Then apply subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So therefore, the estimated difference is 5. So ganun lang kasimple to solve the estimated sum and difference of decimal numbers. So yun lang, grade 5. So kita-kits sa ating synchronous.